Hello everyone, Wkhs guy. Welcome back to another video. Man, today was a crazy day where stocks ended up kind of mixed. Some stocks were up, some stocks were down. So I'm gonna talk about a few stocks, a few key players that I've been looking at. Of course, that's Palantir, Wkhs, even Tesla. I haven't been playing GME or AMC, but I have been looking at them, and we'll talk about those in a second as well. And also the king of today, I would say, is probably Sndl. Sndl was kind of crazy. But anyways, as you can see, quick portfolio update, I'm at 115,000. So those of you that have been following me know that I have all my money in Palantir, and know that I have, or I've been saying that between Tuesday and Thursday, I feel like we're gonna be going up and down from between 36 and 38. So we're gonna be hovering around there. However, I feel Friday, if not earlier, we're gonna hit that 40 or 40 plus. I definitely expect 40 by Friday to pop at least, because that day will be the last trading day, because of next week we have Monday is a holiday, and then for Palantir the earnings is pre-market, so you basically have Friday as the last day. So all my money's in Palantir. I still believe in 40 this week, and I'm gonna be holding up until Friday at least. And I even bought some extra calls, but I wouldn't recommend these calls. These are kind of like YOLO calls. I just threw some money at it and I was like, you know what, let's see if we hit 40 within this expiration date, because this expiration is this Friday, so it's gonna be killing me with data. So that's kind of a bad play, but I do expect 40 to come up, so we'll see what happens with that. I remember last time I sold some covered calls. I was just making 300 bucks that day, but someone that bought those calls basically ended up making, like, I don't know, 10-20,000 that day, just on one day, off of 300 bucks. They made like insane amount of percentage. So we'll see if that happens this Friday with me in this case. Anyway, so yeah, Palantir, we expect 40. So if you look at Palantir, Wkhs, ARKW, Tesla, they all kind of had the same type of graph. So usually with whatever ARKW does, that kind of like Palantir, Wkhs, and Tesla kind of follow that same chart, usually, for the most part. So as you can see, they kind of had a strong opening, and then they just quickly dipped, and they just consolidated throughout the rest of the day. So that's pretty much what happened with Wkhs, Palantir, Tesla. So if you want to get in on those dips, I think those are good dips, especially with Tesla. Get in right now. And anyway, so GME and AMC, they both have basically the same chart. It's funny because I know some of my friends who are in not in GME, but they're in AMC, and they're like, oh, the short squeeze is happening finally, you know, like, and it seemed like it was happening. It was up like what, 20% GME, 25% at one point, like midday, and then it started like coming back down. So I feel like it's coming back down, maybe because like those who are in are like, you know what, I just want to take some of these losses, and then just get out, even though or like cut their losses short, basically, you know. I feel like that's kind of what's happening, so that's why it kind of died down towards the end. So it was hype sometime, but then it just died. Anyways, but today Sndl was crazy. I'm not really researching Sndl. To me, this has always been like a good penny stock to play around with, but I haven't been doing any good research with Sndl. So if you're an Sndl bull, tell me what's going on. Why is this surging? Why are all the cannabis stocks surging? I know there's been talk about Wall Street bets kind of like pouring money into the weed stocks, but why? You know, I haven't done the research, but let me know in the comments if you know why. I'm just curious to know. I'm not gonna be playing Sndl. I think it's a little too crazy, especially for a penny stock that was basically a penny stock a couple days ago, and now it's just like doubling every week. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, I'm just curious to know like what's going on, what's the hype, or is it just all wheat stocks in general, and because Sndl is one of like the penny stocks that was like finally above $1 or so. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, so just quick videos today. That's my portfolio right now. Those are my options, and I'm still gonna be holding till Friday. Let's see that 40. So hold strong, Palantir bulls, and I'll see you guys in the next video.